Here's a tip for everyone, particularly if you're using advisory services, or someone else is trading for you, or there's a trading robot that you're looking at buying or something like that. When they promote 90% accurate trading robot or 95 or 85% accurate trade picks, what they're not saying is how much money they lose when they're wrong. And typically what happens, the way this industry works, sadly, because it's not the most upfront and honest industry in the world, unfortunately, what these trade advisors will do is they'll run their system or their services, and when they have a really big winning streak, they'll say, look, we had 85% winners buy our super accurate trade call services. It only costs $5,000 a year to subscribe. And then when they have a losing streak, you won't hear from them for a little while. And then when they have a winning streak, they'll start marketing again. Because look, I've got an 85% accurate trade call service. This is what happens. So what you need to, what I would encourage you to do is insist on seeing the full story. I would never, ever trade on the advice of a newsletter unless I could see every single trade call they ever made. Good, bad, and ugly. This is absolutely what happens in the financial industry. So again, back to this idea of taking back control for your own trading. Develop or get your own objective rules, test them, and eliminate the need to worry about that stuff. And you find yourself in a much more sustainable position because someone can say, hey, here, this is the best indicator in the world. You can say, good, tell me about it. Then I'll go and test it and I'll see if it actually works on my markets for me. And if it does, great, you can use it. If it doesn't, throw it away. It's about being empowered to be able to test and take control, test the idea, see if it's profitable, take control of trading yourself.